everyone, it is countdown to summer. Day 4, which means today is Kel's Joy. She's the even days, and so we're going to be doing one of hers and also the postcard in question. So this will be fun. So let's go ahead and see what we got. Day 4. They're cute little pictures, summertime popsicle, pretty paper. I hope they have fun with mine. I didn't, I never know what to get, and I feel like try and have fun. But anyway, so I hope they enjoy my sense of humor and the stuff that I got. And this is cute. Oh, how adorable. Summertime. Woo woo. Oh, yeah. Who doesn't like notepads and pens? And I will use them both. I like it. I like it a lot. I will be having fun with these. I've been debating on maybe doing a little journaling soon, and I really need to get back to it. I enjoy it and haven't done it in many, many moons. I get started and then I don't know what happens. So I like this, and thank you so much, Kelly. Let's move on to big envelope for the smaller envelope and see what today brings. I think it was fun. This is such a great idea. What a great idea. Okay. She put a lot of thought into it. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, this is Quietly the World Awakens. Very pretty picture here. You can see that. It is Quietly the World Awakens, Night Sky Winter, Lantern Press original postcard. It's very pretty. I was trying to see if there's any particular artist, but it's a very pretty postcard. And let's get to the question. Let's see what kind of question we got today. What is your favorite summer activity? I'll be honest, my favorite summer activity is definitely going to a beach. Now that I live so far away, it makes it a lot more challenging, but I do. I used to really, summertime, going to the beach was just so enjoyable. Even on the West Coast when I lived in California, it was much nicer on the East Coast in terms of going in the water, especially on the Gulf side. It was nice and warm. It was clear. Bradenton Beach, yeah. But it's still nice even on the Pacific side when it's summertime after June gloom, when it gets a little bit warmer. So anyways, thank you for coming along for the ride. Don't forget to go down below, check out and see what Pinkee Jean and Kel's Kitchen or Kel's Meljoy, what they did get today on the 4th day of summer countdown. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna be silly. Sorry. Silly me. So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.